Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a refund policy on Gumroad. So actually guys, first you will need to go with gumroad.com and sign in with your account afterward, and then just go and click on the dashboard button that's located at the top right corner of the page. And here you will need to go with the products option, the second one on left hand menu, and then just locate that specific product that you want to refund or to add a refund policy to it. And then just go and click on that specific product. So for example, I will go with that one, click it, and so you can edit it, and then just scroll down to the settings section. Okay, so right here you will be able to turn on and turn off multiple options. Okay, so it's like 10 options right here, but we will guide you through the second last option. It's specify a refund policy for this product. Okay, so just go ahead and turn it on, and yeah, set a guarantee. So for example, I will go with the 30-day money back guarantee, and then add a fine print right here, and it's optional as you can see right here. It says, and turn the required shipping information as well. And once finished, you will need just to go with save and continue button at the top right corner of the page, and then publish if a new product. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.